Look what I have. I'm so excited. I have my first order from the new catalog. I'm excited to show it to you. This is the September to December catalog, and I get to pre-order because I'm a demonstrator. If you ever want to do what I do, trust me, it's worth it. 25 years in and I'm still here. So I'm going to get to the unboxing to show you some of the stuff that's in here. If you ever decide you want a catalog or anything, I am happy to send you one if you don't have a demonstrator. Just send me a comment with your information. This is called a slice. It's the best thing since sliced bread. It opens my boxes and is amazing. So I keep it down here for all kinds of things. I give it to my friends for when everyone got one as a present when I first got them, and then if you're my new friend, you could get one too. But I carry one in my purse. I carry one everywhere I go. Okay, I'm going to scooch that down because it's kind of in the way. What's this? I mean, happy. I was supposed to get it Friday, and Stampin' Up! Had so many 2-day orders and overnight orders that mine, instead of getting Friday, came today. Okay, the other thing it's going to do is open these ribbons for me. So this is a vanilla gingham, and we were all talking about wondering if it was going to be really different from the white, and you could tell. So here's the white gingham, and here's the vanilla, and you can definitely tell a difference. It's probably hard to see like this, but you can definitely tell one's white and one's vanilla. And the vanilla is just a little bit whiter. Ribbon's always my favorite. Now all of these come in bundles, and I'll be doing things together with the bundles. Holy smokes. This, sometimes it's that thin stuff. This is like, there we go. I won. It's always a win or lose thing, right? Okay, so this one is called Calypso Coral, and it is a jute ribbon. So it's probably going to be one of those that you can, oh yeah, see, you can separate that. And it's a beautiful color. You see that? It's coral. That's ribbon number 2. There's another ribbon. Oh, I think I can sneak it out. Yay! This is the Balmy Blue. And it is a glitter ribbon. Can you see the glitter? It's a very soft velvet. Last time we had a peachy color. I can't even remember what it was. Maybe it was I don't know, Blushing Bride or something. It was thick. This is soft and thin. I want a beautiful dress made out of it. Wouldn't I look pretty in that? These are going to answer the question about the dress. This is a wide. This is a ribbon pack. One's copper and one's a natural. And it was interesting. We were looking at these. I had a friend who overnighted hers and did get it the next day. This is very metallic. I wonder if we can zoom in. You can see this better. Let's see. Okay. So this is very metallic. And it'll still make a nice bow. And we had a wide natural ribbon, I don't know, sometime. And this is not the same. This is softer and going to be easier to work with. The other one would be hard to tie a bow. This one will make a pretty bow. I'm going to stick with the ribbon thing here and keep going. Oh, I may have gotten gingham twice because I know I would like it. This is a Night of Navy. It goes with one of the Christmas sweets. and it's got gold, copper shimmer to it. And these are two different ones. This one is called silver and white, and this one's called white. Look how smart we are. Why make it complicated if you don't have to? So this is the white, and it's very iridescent. And the silver, okay, I got a couple of them to squeeze for me. This one's not going to be one of them, so I'll have to get my handy dandy tool out. My tool is just not going to cut the ribbon like a pair of snips would if I stuck them underneath. I will win against the ribbon. You know, part of me wants to do an unboxing by taking it out and organizing and unwrapping it all for you. But what's the fun in that when we could all get frustrated with the ribbon? All right, this is dumb. Like, I don't know what this stuff is. I can't get it to... Maybe there's an N. I need music to unwrap my ribbon with. I've been listening. We went to a country concert. Ah, I won. Friday, and I've been listening to music all day. So I do have music to stamp by. Oh my gosh, I cut that thing in half, and I still can't get it off. Oh. My trainer would be so proud. I mean, it's still not coming off. I still can't. I never did break it in half. Okay. This is sheer with silver. I mean, it's really sheer and pretty. For those of you who turned the video off because I couldn't unbox things, I understand. Here is, there's a cute little polar bear. These are Berry Christmas Memories and More. And my grandchildren love these because they can make successful Christmas cards for their friends. I just let them do whatever they want, and everybody's happy. So these are real cute, especially if you have grandkids. This is for one of my club people that I shortchanged her something. Oh, these are pretty. Oh, look, I must have liked them in pre-order. These are the Faceted Gem Trio Pack. Oh, so this is darker, medium, and lighter. Oh, let's just open them and look. Friends, why not? So you can see real well what that third color is. Oh. Super sparkly. Oh, jeez. These are incredible. Okay, these are called Adhesive Back Glitter Sequins. Look at us with those smart names again. Well, you can't get any more sparkly than that. It looks like they took a glue dot and just smashed it in glitter. It's fantastic. All right. Dies. See if I can put these with the stamp set. Oh, I got some masks. There's some new, wait a minute, what do we call them? Masks. I got the word right. This one, I can't wait to play with because it makes, oh gosh, there's a lot in here. There's 7. Okay, so I have a houndstooth snowflakes, leaves, oh that's pretty, and then this are the steps to make a sunflower. And they've got this little notch in the corner so you can line it up. It is masking made simple. Note cards and envelopes. I do a holiday stamp all day in October. Could do the whole thing with these. Oh, excuse me. And no one would complain. I must have liked these too. Some of these, I'm kind of a sucker for certain things. I just order multiples at the beginning because I know. So let's see what this fancy name is. Iridescent adhesive back discs. And that goes with a certain paper that when the paper's normally at the bottom when I get to that. Oh, here's some pretty stars. These go with that Night of Navy ribbon. And I'll show you that. Oh, these are cute. These are the Berry note cards and envelopes. So these are the ones B-E-A-R-Y, not B-E-R-R-Y. That's for the bear, like the ones I'm going to use for my grandkids. So let's see what these look like. Oh yeah, these are cute too. You can't see that very well. Let me zoom back out. Now that we're looking at bigger stuff. See? I'm not very good at looking at my camera. I get all excited and kind of lose my brain. Okay. Oh yeah, these are pretty too. See, I thought I was done with the embellishments. Those were kind of a fat pearl, but I really like the colors. And I just threw them on the floor. There's another embossing folder. We'll see if I can match some of the grooves. Beautiful. We played with this on Thursday or Friday, and it's really pretty. It's just a background stamp. Then I have some fun characters with some great words. This, can I tell you how much I love that the names match? Rustic Crates. So this is going to make a 3D crate. We're getting some friends and I, demonstrators that we get together with. We're getting together tomorrow, and we all order different things. So this is one of the things that I'm going to bring for them to see because they all didn't order it. Oh yeah, see, it's going to make a little crate. And then I'm going to put things in my crate. I like it. Oh, this is the trees. That Forever Forest. I got it because I wanted to go with the background, that big background stamp that I just showed you. I think it's all going to go together real well. And again, like that holiday stamp event, pine trees are so pretty. And then here's all the dies that go with it. That. I'm going to like it. This is just a fun set that I liked. I want to do this cup of cheer. I have a card in my head. If you've stamped for a while, that's what happens to us. We get a card in our head. This is a bundle. These two things go together, the punch and the Modern Garden. And then here's the paper that goes with it. And there may be something else that goes with it. My catalogs are at the bottom of this box. I haven't even gotten my hands on a real life catalog yet. So this goes together. And what I liked about this paper was I've got all of these great patterns on one side. And then there's the other side. So I like these a lot. And that's called Garden Walk, Modern Garden, and Modern Oval Punch. Those are together. Here is my Snowflake Punch. And the stamp set must be... I'll have to go through and find the stamp set. There's a stamp set that goes with it. It's a bundle. So there's the Snowflake Punch. Here is a Christmas embossing folder that says Christmas Tidings. Here's a distressed 3D tile. There's a snowflake embossing folder. This is a set of dies that come by themselves without a stamp set. And it just has some real interesting, like this overlaps, this goes on top of that, this goes on top of this. I just thought they were really interesting, so I can't wait to play with those. These are adhesive back speckle dots, and these dots go with that crate. It's kind of part of it. Okay, here's all my papers. There's all those catalogs. Oh, there's more papers on the bottom. I mean, the catalogs are beautiful, right? And I will be happy to send you one. I've got my list of people waiting. And here's some more paper. Let's move this box out of the way so we can look at paper. This, pile these up, and we're going to zoom in a little bit more so you can see these papers. Okay, so I got 2 of these. Oh my gosh, my desk gets really small when I do this. Okay, so these are incredible. If you're a DSP fan, all of these are metallics. Okay? And because, I mean, I'm going to go ahead and say Stampin' Up's evil because these are all scenes. I mean, it's photographs. So if you're sure you like one side, I don't know how you're going to cover up this metallic, but those trees are beautiful. Look at these. Okay, I'm going to cover up a library book. But look at the mauve, and look at the mauve next to this. Dang it. Oh no, that was rust. Oh, that pretty mauve's on back of it. Dang it. Okay, I can cover up a chair. Maybe. Oh yeah. Alright, that's, I mean, I'll say it's my favorite paper till I open the next one. I am not a huge Christmas red and green fan. That's not my favorite paper because sometimes I don't know. I just feel like red and green's easy. And I like to use other things, but this is really pretty. I love the music notes. The holly's pretty. The plaid's pretty. That's pretty paper. Should I say it's my favorite until I open this one? See how handy dandy my little thing is? This is one-sided. This one's called Joyful. And this other one was called, I didn't tell you, sorry, Joy of Christmas. So we have the Joy of Christmas, and then this one that coordinates with it. This is a one-sided paper. Pretty, huh? It's going to go real well with this other one. This one I ordered two of because I knew I was going to like it a lot. And this one is called Winter Meadow. I mean, it's that watercolor look. There's some deer in here. How simple is that card going to be? Look how pretty that is. I love the peacock. Well, that's beautiful. Love that paper. And then, oh, let's pair, maybe I got two of these too. This with it. This one's called Snowflake Magic. Remember, I have those pretty sheer ribbons and that beautiful velvet. This is a one-sided one too. There's three patterns. There it is. It's metallic. If you live next to me and you're coming to camp, you're going to get a touch and feel all this. Oh, here's those cute bears. Okay, here's these cute bears. It's going to be a fun little whimsical thing. This will be perfect to, again, let my grandkids go crazy with this. These two go together with the beautiful papers. They've also given us a metallic. This is the Oh Holy Night. There's a nativity scene that's in the catalog that's really pretty. Let's go this way. Just here's upside down. That's really pretty. If you love a good nativity scene, you're going to love this one. Mine's not in this order. I had to separate the orders. Come on, friends. You can't get everything. Not in your first order. I put in everything I wanted, and it was $800, and I decided I should probably pare that back. Oh my gosh. They've used really heavy And then this coordinates with it. And it's again one-sided. And you get 2 of each of these. Oh no, I just lied like a rug. You get 1 of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There you go. You get 1 in navy and 1 in vanilla. Oh, did I tell you what this one's called? This one is the Shining Brightly. And this one is the Oh Holy Night. When you get your catalog, you'll see they're on the same page. So here we have Melon Mambo and Granny Apple. Pretty foil paper. It goes perfect with these. This is one of the gems, is that flat backed. Here. This goes. And then this paper. I almost got 2 of these because I liked it so much. Because this is party paper. So look at the polka dots. And then we have stripes and polka dots and stripes. This is party paper, friends. Look at that. It makes me so happy. Is that not fun? Then you have the metallic paper and these fantastic discs. All right. Oh, I've buried my mouse. I can't find my mouse to switch over to me. I mean, you really don't need to see me anyway. So I have the catalogs. Let me know if you need one. If not, here's your little preview with what I was able to order the first time. And if you need anything from me or you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. All right, friends. Have a good day. Oh, I should turn one of these over. There you go. All right. Thanks for joining me. Bye.